Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to get the reply option on on Instagram. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is to open up the Instagram app. Once you're here, you want to go and click on your DMs by going to the top right, click on the little airplane icon. Once you're here, you want to click on any name. I'll go ahead and click the very first name on my list. So I can type in whatever I'd like, but you can hold or double tap it to like it. But in order to reply to any messages, all you have to do is just type in whatever. So, hi, how you doing? So this is how you reply to anybody on Instagram. However, there is no way to actually reply to a certain message, at least on this update. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next